Harshavardhan M90368788. This is my mobile phone. I have around 1000 mobile numbers in it. Hello everyone, I am world record holder for maximum number of mobile phone numbers recalled by an individual. My name is Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan M. I am multiple world records holder. I am managing director of Mastermind Power Secrets Private Limited, Bangalore, India. I am a certified hypnotist from USA and UK. I am a certified memory trainer from Bangalore, India. I am a certified mind trainer, India. I am a certified psychoneurobics trainer, India. I am a certified tarot card reader and expert, India. I am a qualified graphotherapy and handwriting analyst. And I am author of many books, and I have written many scientific research papers, and I am a writer, success coach, educator, motivator and poet, many more. I have world record for maximum number of mobile phone numbers recalled by an individual. Let me tell you one thing. Most important thing is I am world's first memory king of mobile phone numbers. And the other one is I am world's one and only one memory king of mobile phone numbers. Because I am the first person and only one person to have memorized and recalled maximum number of mobile phone numbers in the whole world. Till date, no one in the world has ever attempted to make this world record before. Now I will show you the demonstration of world record event of maximum number of phone numbers recalled by me. You can see here that there is no devices connected to me. You can see here that there is no devices which has been connected to me. You can see here. You can also see here that there is no devices which has been connected to me. You can see here. You can see here. You can also see here that there is no devices which has been connected to me. You can see here. And by the way, I'll also remove the watch. Then I'll show my blazer also. This is the blazer that I'll be wearing. You can see here that there is nothing here, no devices hidden. You can see here, there is nothing here, nothing here. And you can also see this way, there is nothing here. I'll also show you my ears. You can see here, this is my ears. There is no hidden devices which has been connected to my ears. You can see here. You can check this. Nothing is here. You can also see here that there is nothing here. Nothing here. You can also see here that there are no devices which has been connected to my ears. Then, by the way, this is the mobile number and this is the name, and we have masked the last two digits. this is the last two digits. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and 10th digits have been masked. To know this, you need to see the rules and regulations which comes after this demonstration. So please don't skip to watch the demonstration, and also don't skip to see the rules and regulations which comes after the demonstration. Now I'll ask my assistant to blindfold me. This is the cotton that I'll be using right now. I'll ask my assistant to blindfold me. Can you make me to sit? Can you make me to sit? Is the laptop near to me? Is there a gap?
Yes.
Is the laptop near to me?
Yes.
Okay. Please move the slides. Okay.
Start.
Okay. I'll start right now. Dr. B. Mahantesh, 944999465 dash dash. Number 2, Saraswati P. 96116672. Then Prasad 924272446. Then Harsha 924224440. Then Ravi Prasad P 77954483. Then Ravi Prasad O 91081200. Then Dr. Harshavardhan M 90368788. Then Sanjana N 98809212. Now I'll ask my assistant to remove this blindfold. Okay. By the way, like this, I have memorized around 350 mobile phone numbers. And for the real world record demonstration event, this is a demo that I have given you. This is a public demonstration that I will be doing. But for the real world record demonstration event, we have not masked any numbers or digits. That means to say, this is the name and this is the number. We had all the 10 digits. We did not mask any of the digits. That is, 9th and 10th digits were not masked. That is, with respect to real world record demonstration event, we did not mask any of the numbers. The name and the numbers were as it is. And now, please don't forget to watch full video. You will get to see the rules and regulations after this. This is with respect to world record details. The record title is maximum number of mobile phone numbers recalled by an individual. And the mobile numbers taken by me for recalling is around 350 mobile numbers. And no mistakes were done. That is, with 100% accuracy we did this. That is, while recalling the mobile phone numbers, I did not make not even single mistakes. And no breaks were taken at a stretch without taking any single breaks in between. I have done this. That is, while recalling these 350 mobile phone numbers, I did not take not even single break. In one sitting, I did recall all the 350 mobile phone numbers. I'll be happy to put light on the rules and regulations that has been followed for world record demonstration. Rules and regulations number 1. Names are with initials and without initials. That is, this is name with initials. There were few mobile numbers with names and initials, and there were other mobile numbers which had only name and without initials. Rules and regulations number 2. Each mobile numbers have 10 digits. That is, this is name and this is 10 digits. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you all know that mobile numbers have 10 digits, standard 10 digits. This is rules and regulations number 3. Mobile numbers have all the series. Example, this is 9 series. That is the mobile number starting with 9. This is called as 9 series. We had mobile numbers with starting with 9 series, and we also had few of the mobile numbers which started with 8 series, starting with 8, then 7 series, then 6 series. This is rules and regulations 4. All the names and mobile numbers used for world record demonstration are real. That is, I have taken names and mobile numbers from my contact list of my mobile phone. We have not altered any of the names or numbers in it. Can you please give me my mobile phone? This is my mobile phone. I have around 1000 mobile numbers in it. We have names and numbers, mobile numbers in the contact list. I have asked my assistants to take out all the names and mobile numbers and to type onto our laptop. So we have taken the contact list of names and mobile numbers from my mobile to the laptop. Rules and regulations 5. Serial numbers is given for counting the mobile numbers in the PowerPoint presentation. That means to say, this is names and this is mobile numbers. We have given here serial numbers so that counting becomes easy, like 1, and for the other number is 2, so on. This is rules and regulations 6. As all the names and mobile numbers are real, I have taken written permission from the people who are there in the contact list of my mobile phone that I will be using their mobile numbers and names. That is, I have 1000 mobile numbers in my contact list. I have taken written permission from the people who are there in my contact list that I will be using their names and mobile numbers for world record demonstration purpose. This is rules and regulation 7. Protecting the privacy of names and mobile numbers. This is public demonstration. So, during public demonstration, I'll show the names and mobile numbers on PPT like this. This is name and this is mobile number on PowerPoint presentation on PPT. I'll be recalling the names and mobile numbers and I'll be uploading this video to the YouTube channel. So, someone out of curiosity who is watching this video may give a phone call to the number. As you can see the name and you can see the mobile number. So out of curiosity, someone may give a phone call to the mobile number and may disturb the privacy of the mobile owner. Therefore, it is strict rules from the World Record Organization that we need to protect the privacy of the name and the mobile numbers while doing public demonstration. Therefore, during public demonstration, we have masked the 9th and 10th digit. That is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9th and 10th digit have been masked so that now it will not be possible for anyone to give a phone call to this number. These are all the certificates that I have received from various world record organizations. Thanks for watching.